example of a dumb irrigation controller here on the wall. What you want to do is, after you find the controller, is inspect it. See how many zones that you're going to require that you're going to need to replace. Looks like we got 9 zones here. No sensor. So there's not even a rain sensor connected to this controller. So in the event of rain, this controller would never suspend watering. So this is really dumb.
Blanket watering.
Yep, here's where they've unwired the sensor. So they had one at one time.
Which is probably defective, and they just unscrewed it.
Right. Probably suspended the water even when it was dry.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to get some equipment down here and get it replaced.
All right.